Hey everyone, welcome to another unboxing from your friends at the Dashcam Store. Today's camera is the KDLinks XVIS-10, a wide-angle 6-glass lens, 1080p dashcam with wide dynamic range, night mode, loop recording, and a 2.5-inch LCD screen, all encased in their new discreet design. This is KDLinks' first dashcam design that does not use a suction cup mount or attach to your rearview mirror. It sits tight on your windshield, making it look like an OEM installation, adding to its sleek form factor. The one-channel package comes with your forward-facing camera and a standard set of accessories, including a 12-volt cigarette lighter outlet plug, 3 adhesive pads, 1 mount, a USB cable, and finally a detailed user manual. A 16, 32, 64, or 128 gig microSD card, class 10 or higher, is required for use with the XVIS-10. The XVIS-10 does not come with its own memory card, so please purchase your memory card before using the camera. Featuring beautiful video that looks great in both day and night thanks to the wide dynamic range and its 6-glass lens. The XVIS-10 has a wide viewing angle of 165 degrees and captures video in 1080p at 30 frames per second. The 2.5-inch LCD screen not only shows what your cam is recording, but also helps you easily navigate and change your settings, while also displaying your cam's status icons and modes so you know what your camera is doing at all times. Having the screen also allows you to adjust image exposure, select clip recording increments, screen power settings, recording mode, format your memory card, audio settings, and more. Below the screen you have your navigation buttons. The mode button allows you to toggle between video, photo, and playback modes. The record button starts or stops your recording. The video mode button will lock your current video file so it won't be overwritten. It takes still pictures, plays, or pauses your recorded videos, and serves as your confirm button while in the settings. The microphone button allows you to mute or unmute your onboard microphone. The LCD button will turn on or off your screen, or you can use the screensaver feature from the settings to turn off your screen automatically. The menu button will take you to your settings while not recording. The power button turns your device on or off. And finally, if your camera ever freezes or is giving you problems, the reset button will restore your camera to its factory settings. On the other side, you have your lens adjuster that rotates your camera to the desired angle. The XVIS-10 features automatic incident detection, so when an impact is detected, your camera knows to save and lock the current recording, thereby preserving a complete record of the event. Another noteworthy feature is the ability to segment your clips into 3, 5, or 10-minute increments for either longer or shorter recordings depending on your preference. Some users prefer the short clips, but a lot of you out there have expressed interest in having much longer duration videos. I would also like to point out a few things I found out while testing the unit. First, if you turn off loop recording and motion detection, the camera will actually record in 40-minute intervals. Second, if you turn off loop recording but keep motion detection on, the cam will only record motion, which only captured a few seconds at a time for me in our lab, but when installed in a vehicle would likely record much longer, if not 40-minute increments. All this information is based off my testing with a 16 gigabit card in 1080p resolution. I wouldn't be surprised that if you set the resolution lower or even got a larger memory card, the clip duration might even exceed 40 minutes. The built-in temperature resistance keeps your camera running smoothly even in extreme temperatures. And the XVIS-10's built-in battery ensures each clip records even if power is lost. The battery will last right around 20 to 30 minutes, so don't rely on it as a constant power source. It's just a nice little feature to make sure your incidents are always recorded. The XVIS-10 is intended to be plugged in, so you don't need to worry about charging the battery since it will charge itself while your camera is operating off your vehicle's power. KDLinks stands by their craftsmanship and quality, offering a trusted 1-year warranty and premier year-round customer support, all at an excellent price point. Just mount the XVIS-10 directly to your windshield, plug in the power cord, and you're ready to go. If you're looking for a sleek, affordable, and reliable dashcam, look no further than KDLinks XVIS-10. This one-channel camera system is ideal for everyday drivers or businesses due to its economic value, discreet design, and convenient feature set. Buy yours today at thedashcamstore.com.
Now recording.